Tesla's software updates occasionally get stuck due to three main reasons: Wi-Fi connectivity issues, insufficient storage space on your Tesla's SSD, or a glitch in the software update process itself. As of December 2025, these are the most common culprits. This video will guide you through troubleshooting these problems to get your Tesla updated. The first common issue is Wi-Fi connectivity problems, which can interrupt the download process. Second, insufficient storage space on your Tesla's SSD can prevent the update from downloading properly. Third, glitches in the software update process itself can cause the download to hang. We'll guide you through troubleshooting each of these. Weak or unstable Wi-Fi is a primary cause of stuck Tesla software downloads. Make sure your Tesla is parked close to your Wi-Fi router for the strongest signal. Position your vehicle as close as possible to your router to ensure a stable connection. Avoid placing the router in corners or behind walls. Switch to the 5 GHz band on your router for faster download speeds and less interference from other devices. Avoid using VPNs during the download, as they can throttle your connection speed and cause interruptions. If your Wi-Fi signal remains weak, consider installing a Wi-Fi extender or moving your router closer to the parking area. Tesla's adaptive bitrate streaming automatically adjusts download quality based on your connection. While this helps, maintaining a strong Wi-Fi connection is still essential for smooth updates. Remember, a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial for successful Tesla software downloads. Tesla software updates require between 10 and 30 gigabytes of free storage space on your vehicle's SSD. If the drive is full, the update cannot complete successfully. To free up space, navigate to the Settings menu, then select Apps from the options. Once in the Apps section, clear the cache for applications you don't use often. This can free up significant space. Additionally, delete any unused files from your vehicle, particularly large media files like videos or music that you no longer need. Tesla recommends maintaining at least 50 gigabytes of free storage space to ensure smooth software updates. As Elon Musk stated in late 2025, proactive storage management is underrated, so prioritize keeping your drive clean. A hard reboot can resolve many software glitches. To perform a reboot, hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the touchscreen goes black and the Tesla logo appears. This resets the system without deleting any data and can often clear temporary download caches that are causing the issue. Consider this the nuclear option for stubborn download issues. The Tesla app serves as a powerful diagnostic tool for troubleshooting software download issues. Open the app on your phone to access real-time information about your vehicle's update status. Navigate to the Update Status screen within the app. This screen displays the current download progress, showing how much of the software update has been downloaded and installed. The app also shows Wi-Fi strength, which is crucial since downloads require stable connectivity. A weak signal can cause pauses or failures. Check storage usage on the Update Status screen. Tesla updates need sufficient free space, typically 10 to 30 gigabytes, so monitor this to ensure your vehicle has adequate room. If an error occurs, the app will display specific error messages that provide hints about the root cause, such as connectivity issues or storage problems. In some cases, the app may automatically suggest solutions or even switch to cellular data if your model supports it, allowing the download to continue without Wi-Fi. If your home Wi-Fi consistently fails during Tesla software downloads, try using a mobile hotspot from your phone or another device. This can bypass potential issues with your home network. Another option is USB tethering, which connects your Tesla directly to your phone via a USB cable for a stable connection. Ensure your hotspot or alternative Wi-Fi has a strong signal. A good signal is at least -67 dBm for reliable downloads. When using public Wi-Fi hotspots, be mindful of security risks. Avoid sensitive transactions and consider using a VPN. Check your data allowance to ensure sufficient high-speed data for Tesla software downloads, which can require 10 to 50 gigabytes. Tesla is continuously improving its OTA update system. As of 2025, AI-driven diagnostics help predict and prevent download failures by analyzing connection patterns and storage usage in real time. Hybrid updates using both Wi-Fi and satellite connectivity are emerging, allowing seamless downloads even in remote areas. This technology integrates with systems like Starlink for reliable connectivity. By 2026 to 2027, expect more autonomous update management where vehicles self-heal issues without user intervention, automatically retrying downloads and optimizing connections. Tesla is also working to enhance security and counter ISP throttling through quantum secure downloads and partnerships with internet providers, ensuring reliable update delivery. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your software download is still stuck, it's time to contact Tesla support. They can provide more specific guidance and investigate potential hardware or software issues. Before contacting support, gather as much information as possible, including error messages, Wi-Fi signal strength, and available storage space. Use the Tesla app to check these details. For example, view the app interface and note any error messages or Wi-Fi status. Check storage settings in the app to see available space, as shown here with the usage bar. Tesla support can then investigate potential hardware or software issues based on this information.